This is a numerical from gravitation, where the question is the acceleration due to gravity at the moon surface is given and the radius of the moon surface is also given. That is, the radius of moon is given and we need to calculate the mass of moon, right? And we need to use the known value of capital G, right? So we know the relation z, small g, as g m by r square. So we can write the mass m as z into r square by capital G. Now the relation as we have derived is true for the earth, the moon, and even all the heavenly bodies, right? So we will use the same formula to calculate the mass of the moon. Now the value of a small g, that is acceleration due to gravity, I mean for moon, is given as 1.67 meter per second square, right? It's also given that the radius of the moon, capital R. So the capital R will be standing here for the radius of the moon, which is 1.74 into 10 power 6 meter. Okay, it's not 10 power 5, it will be 10 power 6. Yeah, fine. So if this is the moon, right, and this is the R, that is the radius, capital R, then we can say capital R is 1.74 into 10 to the power 6 m, and capital G is known as 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. This is a standard value, and this also mentioned into the question that we can take this standard value, right? Now the small g, capital R, and capital G is known to us. Now put these values into the above equation, that is equation number 1. So m will be zr square by capital G. So the value of a small g, this is the mass of moon, right? The value of a small g is 1.67. Just put up the value over here, multiplied by radius of the moon whole square. So capital R is 1.74 into 10 to the power 6 whole square divided by capital G. The value of capital G is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11. 6.67, yeah, this is 7, yeah. 10 power minus 11. So all the units will be cancelled out and finally kg will remain, because that is the mass. The unit of mass is kg over here, right? So this is a very simple calculation, just we need to do it. And here this decimal will be cancelled out, so it will be 167 by 667 into 1.74 whole square into 10 to the power 6 whole square will be 10 to the power 12, right, divided by 10 power minus 11 kg. So just solve this to get the value of mass of moon.